Good afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to start a new topic from your networking chapter, that is website concepts. Now, what is a website? You all must have seen numerous websites on www, but you must wonder what is a website, how these websites are created. Websites are basically collection of web pages. Just like your notebook, we have number of pages in your notebook. Similarly, there are a lot of web pages in a website. So a collection of web pages is called as a website. Now, in today's world, the information which is there on the website is arranged in the form of web pages, and those web pages are linked to each other as the pages which are there in your notebooks are linked to each other. So in a similar fashion, your web pages are linked to each other. So when you group those web pages, it becomes a website. Now, the websites are basically utilized for the purpose of information. Means we get information from websites, and lot more we can do with the websites. We can also send emails, we can chat, we can use social networking sites and videos. We can do online business, and we can search for some jobs, and we can also read live news, etc. And we can also create our own blogs where we can put in relevant information. And nowadays, in this corona period, lot of online payments are being done with the help of the websites. So the basic benefit of a website is it is open for 24 hours a day. And one of the most important benefit of these websites in terms of business is its reach to new markets with global audience. Means if you are sitting in India, and you can have a number of customers or audiences all over the world. And more points about this is that we can save money on printing and distribution cost, and we can also sell our products online, and we can just reach out a lot of customers if you are in a business. Now, why do people visit websites? Generally, people look at the websites for two primary reasons. Means there are two reasons to visit the websites. It is one, to find the information they need. Whenever you need some information about a topic, you just Google it. You go to the Google and write down the keyword, and you'll find lakhs and lakhs of web pages related to that topic. So we can have information about any topic. Or if you want to complete a task, means the second reason for visiting websites is to complete a task. Suppose you want to buy a laptop, and you want to compare the cost of the different brands of laptops. So you can visit a website, or you can visit Google and compare your laptop with different prices. Or you want to find out the best seller of a product or best product,